This how to 1 minute will show you how to embed GitHub codes and content in WordPress website easily. So as you can see right now, I'm in GitHub and here we can see some codes, and now I'm going to embed this code in my WordPress. So first of all, you have to click on this embed, and here make sure to select embed, and here you will get the code embedding code. Copy this code by clicking on this copy icon. Now go to your WordPress and now go to the post or page where you want to add the GitHub code. Once you are in editor, click on add block and here search for HTML. Now add custom HTML block and here paste the copied embedding code and click on update. And now let's preview the post to see the final result. And here we can see my GitHub Gist has been successfully embedded to my WordPress. And if you're using Elementor, now let's see how you can embed GitHub codes using Elementor. Once you are in Elementor page builder, here click on this plus icon to add a new container, and I'm selecting this structure. And now click on this icon and in this search widget box search for HTML and click on HTML to add it, and now paste here the embedding code. Once you edit the embedding code, click on update and click on preview. And here you can see my GitHub code embedded successfully. This is how we can embed GitHub codes in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.